Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gulabazar. On last day we were learning topic subtraction, and in subtraction we have learned that is of class 4, and on last day we have learned subtraction, and in subtraction we have learned subtraction fact and also find the missing number. But today we are going to learn topic subtracting 3-digit numbers. How we can subtract 3-digit number? So come on the topic subtracting 3-digit number. Subtracting 3-digit number. Subtracting 3-digit number. Subtracting 3-digit number. Okay, so there is an example, and there is subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction. There are two topics: subtracting 3-digit number, subtraction without regrouping, subtraction without regrouping, and subtraction with regrouping. So come on the first topic, that is subtraction without regrouping. How we can solve subtraction without regrouping? There is an example given. So the example is subtract 140 from 125. Subtract 140 from 125. When we write in columns, that is hundred, tens and ones. We have to subtract 114 from 125. So we have to write bigger number on upper side, and we have to write smaller number to downward side. So now come on the firstly we have to subtract the ones. So 5 ones minus 4 ones, that is 1 ones. And now come on tens column. 2 tens minus 1 ten, that is 1 ten, and 100 minus 100, that is 0 So the answer is 11. Okay, now there is subtraction, so we have to put here subtraction sign. Now come on the next topic, that is subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Okay, subtraction with regrouping. First topic is regrouping tens. First topic is regrouping tens. Regrouping tens. In regrouping tens, there is an example. What is that? Subtract 170. Subtract 117 from 346. Subtract 117 from 346. Writing columns 100, tens and ones. That is 346 minus 117. And now firstly we have to subtract ones places. So subtract the ones, that is 7 ones here. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 6 ones. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 6 ones. So regroup 3 times 6 ones. So regroup 3 times 6 ones into 2 times into 2 tens and 16 ones. Okay, regroup here. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 6 1. So regroup 3 tens 6 ones into 2 tens 16 ones. Okay, and now subtract the ones, that is 16 ones minus 7 ones, that is 9 ones. And here 2 tens minus 1 ten, that is 1 ten. And here 3 hundreds minus 100, that is 2 hundreds. Okay, so you can see here that when we subtract the ones, 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 6 ones. So regroup 3 tens 6 ones into 2 tens 16 ones. And now subtract the ones, 16 ones minus 7 ones, that is 9 ones. And here will be 2 tens minus 1 ten, that is 1 ten. And 300 minus 100, that is 200. And now the next topic is regrouping. The next topic is regrouping. Now the next topic is regrouping hundreds. Now the next topic is regrouping hundreds. Regrouping hundreds. Okay, there is an example given. What is it? That is subtract. Regrouping hundreds, subtract 181 from 455. Subtract 181, subtract 181 from 455. Write in columns 100 tens and ones. 455 minus 181. That is, now subtract the ones, that is 5 ones and minus 1 ones, that is 4 ones. And now subtract the tens. Here 8 tens cannot be subtracted from 5 tens. So regroup 400 5 tens into 300s. Regroup 300s and 15 tens. Regroup 300 and 15 tens. Here when we subtract tens places, 8 cannot be subtracted from 8 tens, cannot be subtracted from 5 tens. So regroup 400s 5 tens into 300s 15 tens. And now 15 tens minus 8 tens, that is 7 tens. 15 tens minus 8 tens, that is 7 tens. And here 300s minus 100, that is 200. So the answer is 274. Let's see once again. Firstly, subtract the ones. 5 ones minus 1 1, that is 4 ones. And now subtract the tens. 8 tens cannot be subtracted from 5 tens. So regroup 400s 5 tens into 300s 15 tens. And now subtract 15 tens minus 8 tens, that is 7 tens. And here is 300, so 300 minus 100, that is 200. Okay, and now come on the next topic, that is regrouping hundreds, tens and tens. Regrouping hundreds and tens. Regrouping hundreds. Regrouping hundreds and tens. Regrouping hundreds and tens. Okay, so now there is an example given. There is an example, and that is subtract 163 from 341. Subtract 163 from 341. Firstly, write in columns, that is 100, tens and ones. And what we have to subtract it? We have to subtract it 163 from 341. So firstly write 341 minus 163. Now subtract the ones, that is 3 ones cannot be subtracted from 1 1. So regroup 4 tens 1 ones into 3 tens and 10 ones. Here 3, when we subtract 1s places 3 ones cannot be subtracted from 1 1. So regroup 4 tens and 1 ones into 3 tens and 10 ones. And now subtract 11 ones. And now subtract the 3 ones, that is 11 ones minus 3 ones, that is 8 ones. So write here 8 ones. And now here 6 cannot be subtracted from 6 tens cannot be subtracted from 3 tens. So regroup 3 tens into 200s into 200s and 13 tens. 200s and 13 tens. And now subtract 13 tens minus 6 tens, that is 7 tens. And here 200s minus 100, that is 100. So the answer is 170. Let's revise this how we can have to solve it. Firstly, we have to subtract the ones. So 3 ones cannot be subtracted from 1 1. So regroup 4 tens 1 1 into 3 tens and 11 ones. And now subtract 11 minus 3, 11 ones minus 3 ones, that is 8 ones. And here 6 tens cannot be subtracted from 3 tens. So regroup 3 tens into 200s, 13 tens. Now subtract 13 tens minus 6 tens, that is 7 tens. And here 2. Here is 200. So 200 minus 100, that is 100. And now the next topic is subtraction of numbers with. Now the next topic is subtraction of numbers with zeros. Subtraction of numbers. Subtraction of numbers with zeros. Subtraction of numbers with zeros. Okay, subtraction of numbers with zeros. There is an example given. Subtract 205 from 700. Subtract 205 from 700. Subtract 205 from 700. So 700 minus 205, that is 100 tens and ones. Here 5 cannot be subtracted from 0 ones. So regroup. Here subtract the ones. 5 ones cannot be subtracted from 0 ones. And 0 tens cannot be regrouped. 5 ones cannot be subtracted from 0 ones. And 0 tens cannot be regrouped. So regroup 700 0 10 into 600 10 tens. So regroup here. Listen carefully. 6 1 10 10, and that will be 9, that will be 9, and here will be 10. So 10 minus 5 5, 10 minus 5 5, and here will be 9. So and 6 minus 2 4. Listen carefully how we have to do. Firstly, 5 ones cannot be subtracted 5 ones cannot be subtracted from 0 ones, and 0 tens cannot be regrouped. So regroup 700 0 tens into 600 10 ones. And now regroup 10 ones into 10 tens 0 ones into 9 tens and 10 ones. And now subtract 10 ones minus 5 ones, that is 5 ones, and 9 tens minus 0 tens, that is 9 tens, and 600 minus 200, that is 400. Listen carefully once again. 5 ones cannot be subtracted from 0 ones, so 0 tens cannot be regrouped. So regroup 700 0 tens into 600 10 ones, 10 tens. And now regroup 10 tens into, and now regroup 10 tens 0 1 into 9 tens 10 ones. And now subtract 10 ones from 5 1, that is 5 1, and 9 tens minus 0 10, that is 9 10, and 600 minus 200, that is 400. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continuing it. We will meet with new topic in next video.